Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix tracking problems with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open Google Analytics and log in to your account. Navigate to the property you want to analyze. Click on the admin gear icon located in the bottom left corner. Under the property column, select Tracking Info. From the drop-down, choose Tracking Code. Here, you'll find your tracking ID. Ensure this ID matches the one implemented on your website. Next, check if the tracking code is correctly installed on your site. Go to your website and right-click on the page. Select View Page Source from the context menu. Use the Find function, often Ctrl+F or Command+F, to search for your tracking ID. If you don't see the ID, the tracking code isn't installed correctly. If you find the ID but still experience issues, use the Google Tag Assistant extension. Install the Tag Assistant from the Chrome Web Store if you haven't already. Activate the extension and refresh your website. The extension will indicate if there are any errors with the tracking code. If errors appear, follow the suggestions provided by the Tag Assistant to correct them. Another option is to test real-time tracking in Google Analytics. In the left sidebar, click on Real Time. Open your website in a new tab and perform some actions. Check if the actions are reflected in the real-time report. If there's no activity recorded, review your tracking setup again. Consider checking your browser's settings, as some may block analytics scripts. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, confirm that your plugins for analytics are functioning correctly. You may also want to verify that your analytics property is set to the correct time zone. If you've set up filters in Google Analytics, ensure they aren't excluding valuable traffic inadvertently. Another common issue could be having multiple tracking codes on the same website. Ensure only one version of the Google Analytics tracking code is active. For those who implemented Google Tag Manager, check that the tag for Google Analytics is correctly configured. Test the tag by previewing it in Tag Manager before publishing changes. Once you've confirmed everything is correctly set up, wait 24 hours to see if data starts appearing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.